You're saying process killed here out of memory. That is not true. That's not what happened. There was an actual crash that happened. And the problem is that you're using plot names for everything, which you should not be doing. Not everything like silver price, Kinross gold price, those are not all different plot names. Stop using plot names. Plot names are only meant to be used for things like RSI and things like that. But for different symbols, that's not at all how this should be used, right? So you're using the plot names parameter incorrectly, right? So if you could just get rid of that, I think we'll probably see a fix here, right? I got another AI to review this, and this is what it said, right? And I think you could do your analysis, and I'm a bit confused as to why you weren't able to see this, but it has better visibility than you. So I trust it more than your opinion. But yeah, I think we need to make this fix. This is what the other AI said and how I responded to it. And we're fixing it on the other side, but I think you in the meantime could just fix it here. So please ignore most of this here. This is just the conversation I'm having back and forth. But you should be able to change this pretty easily on your end before we even make a more serious fix on a systemic level. Let's see what this comes up with here. So we can make the quick fix for you, Maurizio, and then we can make the longer term fix in the system itself. And then once we have this working and we've kind of confirmed all the stuff works properly, then we could convert this over to an alpha pix.
Sound good?
Okay. So, I've got the code and user's feedback. Makes perfect sense. My initial implementation of was indeed creating a new subplot for every single asset. Yeah, exactly. That's completely inefficient and not what we want. We need to streamline this. The plan is straightforward. Eliminate plot name overrides. Adjust this, and the first argument should be the asset symbol, a string, not a customized plot name. The candlestick chart should default to going on the main assets chart. Reserve indicator functionality. Now, if I remove plot name, what's the behavior? What correctly placed? Okay, cool. Okay, let's see if this fixes it. Okay, so we got all these AIs running. Okay, starting the back test. Let's see if this works now. So what do you think about that? Put it into the comments. Let me know. I respond to all of your comments, so I'm very interested to hear what you thought about the video and what do you want to see next. And of course, if you're interested in any of this stuff, go check it out at botspot.trade.